What's up, gamers? Edgar coming back at you with the power of the internet. What I'm working on today for my channel, which now has a final purpose, Let's Build. This is both the introduction and project number 1. I'm going to be making my own forge. What I have here, unplug that for safety. What I have here is a grill. Inside this grill, one cool enough for me to touch, is a 1/4 inch thick sheet of steel plate. Because that's heavy, I don't feel like lifting it up. Here's what it looks like. It sits on the edges. This part is open. For most of you who know how a forge will work, what I'm doing is I'm building a cup. For those of you who don't know, here is the cup. This is going to be sitting about 2 inches, maybe 3 inches down. This is going to be the area where all the coal sits, and of course these little flap thingies are going to be the walls. Oh, that's terrible. But part number 1 is that I have this cut, and then I have part of this cut. I need to trim it down, because right now, see that big opening? See that smaller opening? I need to cut out the difference between those two, and then that part will be done. So this is part 1, where I have this completed. It is still kind of rough around the edges, so I am going to have to get a grinder, clean it all up, finish cutting out the little part, cut out these, I can't even remember what they're called anymore. Rhombus? Is that right? I don't know. If you know, comment down below. And then I need to drill out some holes at the bottom. This is too many. So I need to readjust that amount. Mainly because this is an 8 inch that I'm working with. Probably going to bring this down to 6 inch, so that way there's a 1 inch area on each side of it, so that way the coals, the ash can sit, instead of going down into my tubing. So, part 1 is this. Part 2 is going to be finishing cutting everything out, and maybe some welding. Part 3 is definitely going to be all welding. And then part number 4 is going to be the air supply. I am calling this my Apocalypse Forge. For this series, I am calling Apocalypse Prep. Anyone has any comments, questions, please feel free to leave them down below. Always remember, comment, like, subscribe, share, get this out there if you like what I'm doing. And as always,